Hey guys, it's Hadley and Lizzie here, and today we're going to be going to
Hadley's farm.
Yes, my farm, and we're going to ride the razors in the mud. Fun
And chase
fun.
cows.
And chase cows. And
Yeah.
the horses.
The one horse.
Yeah, the one horse.
The one horse.
And then we're also eating right now for breakfast at the Huddle House, and we're going to eat a thing called crunchy Oreo pancake or something?
It's this thing. The very top.
Yeah, that thing.
Right here. It's called an Oreo Cookie Crunch.
Yes, an Oreo crunch. I was kind of close. So anyway, we'll see you at
missed
the
the
farm.
Right now.
Everything okay then?
So right now, me and Lizzie are eating the pancake we showed you guys. Looks like this, and it's super duper yummy, right, Lizzie?
Okay guys, so we just got to the farm.
Yep, we're in the little house.
Yeah, we're in the house. That's not complete yet. And then we're going outside and we're gonna have so much fun and we'll record it for you guys.
Yeah, Hadley has to put on her boots first, though. So
Yeah.
hurry up, Hadley.
Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Hi, so right now we're in the razors at the farm.
I'm in the old one. Hadley's in the new one.
Yeah, I'm in the new one. And
Join you. 1 second.
and I'm freezing. It's cold, and the wind comes at you like so strong, and it's so scary. But it's so fun at the same time. And Lizzie's coming, so yeah.
Those bumps right there were so much fun.
Yeah, they were.
We gotta show them.
Yes. So we're gonna go show you the bumps. Okay, and I'm gonna record while doing this, even though it's not safe.
Okay, I'll
Unsafe.
follow.
Then we need to go this way, and then we need to go this way. Doing this all with one hand for you guys. I'm being a daredevil today. Okay, so we're about to reach the bumps. Here we go. Woo! 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 That was so much fun. Like,
Go razor.
we're on the razor. Okay, so we're razoring, and we just did that. And razor's about to hit mine. Yeah, I know. You're just gonna have to go first. And so,
Okay, see ya.
yeah, bye. Here we go. Woo! We have to go slow on the turn so we don't flip over. We're getting some glass in the windshields. Okay, so we can't go in the pasture yet, but that's why we're just going around this area. Because they have two horses out there, way out there. Ginger and Harley, that we're not going to see yet. Say, what's going on up there, Hadley?
He's putting the thing onto my face to get roasted.
Oh, that's good. I don't have one. This tiny one, yeah. Yeah, so we've been going over these giant bumps, and there are giant cows. Ginger is like, oh crap, they're back again. Woo! This is really fun. Well, I'll be back once we start moving again. Okay, we're about to start moving. and be back. Bye. My racer plays music. This is a bad song. Don't listen to this, please.
What are we doing now? We're going into a giant field so we can chase the cows and the horses and yeah.
And my thing's playing music.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to drive hers out. So Hadley, why don't you keep this while I drive that into the field once you open the gate?
Yeah, sorry, I'm wearing gloves because it's definitely freezing, and my dad gave me gloves and his hat and his gloves. He's so nice. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's so muddy and it's so hard to walk, and that's why, and we love mud, yes. We're some cowgirls. Yeah. Okay, stop! Lizzie! Put it in park and go back and grab that one. Okay, I think. Put that in park. Go back and grab that one. I think she forgot the plan because she tried to drive off with my razor. Yes, she did. What you doing? I can't pause it.
It's so comfortable. Hello.
I can't stop the video because my gloves are. Oh, so guys, we were chasing the horses to get them away from these cows. And this cow has a hurt leg, so we're taking care of it, right?
We're going to video you us chasing the horses.
Yes, and it's super duper muddy, like really muddy. There's poop everywhere from this cow, and it has a hurt leg, so we have to give it pills. And it cannot move, and it's cold. So we have this to put it in when we're taking care of it. And we were just chasing the horses.
This is so much fun.
And I don't know where the horses are right now.
Okay, they're up there. I'll take this because I want to show you guys going through water. Because there's a giant puddle up here.
Except for your razor gets so smoky, it looks like it caught on fire.
Do you want to hold this?
Yeah, I want to show you guys how much it smokes. It looks like it caught on fire. It's so cool.
Up there.
I hope it doesn't catch on fire.
Oh crap, that was reversed.
You almost ran over me, Lizzie.
I went reversed. I came away from you.
Oh. Okay. So I have my glove off on this side. Oh, that's so creepy. Yes?
We turn over there and then go through the puddle. That'll get us straight where the horses are.
Okay, turn right there and I'll go across from you so I can show how much you smoke.
Okay, well hurry up.
Okay, sorry. I'm going right now. Frick, I almost slipped. That wasn't good. Okay, hold it with the glove. Oh gosh, okay. So this is gonna be a long video. I can feel it in my bones!
Ready?
No! I should put the phone right there. Hopefully it stays. If it doesn't, that works too. I need to buckle or it doesn't go past 15 miles per hour. Benton!
Come here.
Wait! I know! Probably because he's limping! Sorry, I'm coming! Okay. E means I don't know! No! Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
We're about to go video ourselves chasing the horses and then go mud riding and go chase the cows too. So here we go.
There we go!
because I feel like I'm going really fast, but I'm actually only going like 20.
Yeah, same. I look at my thing, I'm like, 20? It feels like I'm going 50.
I know, right? Okay, it's Hadley's turn here.
Okay, so we've been chasing the horses, as you saw, and I drifted so hard around that corner.
Right there.
Yeah.
All the mud, and I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, I drifted so hard. I was so scared. I was like, oh, freaking noodles. It was so terrifying, but it was fun. Yep. I want to put my phone somewhere and make it stay. Yeah, Chattanooga. Highway Etowah on the 14th. So she's going to see the horses, but they're rejecting her because they know she chased them. So they're rejecting her, like, how dare you chase me? So, and now she's scaring away Ginger because Ginger's a butthole. Oh, she's coming back. Yes, Lizzie. That's where I'm living. Oh my word. Okay, I'm going to her aid. My dad's pulling us over right now. So we're going to him.
Hey guys, so we traded vehicles. Hadley's in that one, and I'm in the red one. So much fun. So we're gonna go over bumps, so I gotta go because Hadley's leaving. So I got mud all over my face, and we're about to go through bumps in our new four-wheelers that we traded with, and then I think we're gonna trade back. Hadley's trying to open the gate, but then it keeps trying to flip back. Okay, so what we got? Oh my gosh!
Yeah, we're drifting.
Ready? Hold on! Ready? Holding on. Oh my God, man! I want to see him move. This don't feel right, dude. I want to reach the spirit. I want to see you smile. And that means I have to live. Do, 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 do. Oh my God!
guys, as you can see, I'm super duper muddy now. We're trying to keep the cows.
so they don't.
Yeah, we're taking care of the cows so they don't steal our girls' food. And this is ASMR walking through this mud here. Yes.
Without an ASMR mic.
On ASMR mic. This is very satisfying. Ew, Benton's drinking. Benton's drinking that water.
Oh,
See, as you can see,
here they come.
ASMR.
Ah!
As you can see, she's still drinking and eating, and so is her baby. Whoa, that was a deep one. What are you doing, Lizzie? Okay, guys, so we just got done, like, riding the razor. My ears are super red. And as you could see, we went through a ton of mud and it started raining.
And
So-
then we went through a giant puddle.
And the water everywhere. So I have mud everywhere, all over my face.
Yeah, we took a break so that we could get hot chocolate.
Mhm.
And then we're going to ride the razor
Again.
I was using, and then Hallie's going to drive, and we're going to, like, switch out.
Yeah, because the other razor that I was driving that plays music is being put away because we're going in a couple minutes home. So, yeah. So, we'll see you guys on the other razor. Okay, guys. So, we just got done with the farm. Now we're heading back to my house. And then we're going to go on the trampoline there. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe watch a movie.
So,
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next vlog next time we hang out, which is probably going to be soon.
yep.
Bye.